How to buy Badoo Premium. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can buy Badoo Premium. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to badoo.com, or you can also open the Badoo app on your device. Now, you want to log into your account, so for that, tap on the login option. Then over here, you can log in using your email or phone number. You can also log in using your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, your profile is going to appear. You want to tap on the plans option. Once you tap on plans, you're going to find the Badoo Premium plan over here. Now on the Badoo Premium, you will have different plans such as Premium and Plus. With this, you will be able to see who liked you. You will also have invisible mode. You can undo last vote. You can see who likes you the most. You can also chat to popular members, be the first to contact new people and highlight your message as well. And you also have the access to get cool stickers. So if you want to upgrade your Badoo account and buy Badoo Premium, then you have to tap on the upgrade option. Then you want to choose one of the payment methods which are available and then follow the on-screen instructions. You can manage your Badoo Premium subscription by going to the payment settings in the settings menu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.